Third time's a charm. What's up, guys? It's your host, Normile Guy, and today it's PU. I know everyone and their mother has been doing PU sessions, but it's a new tier, so it's got me a little bit excited. So it's providing you guys with something to watch. And the reason why I started out saying third time's a charm is because I just recorded a session, and at the end there, my internet crapped out. So we're gonna try this again, and then the second time, I had literally gotten only 25 seconds into it, and my dad calls. So, whatever. We're gonna try this again. Choice Banded Levani. Nothing too special there. Citrus Berry Belch Swalot with Inculmination. Sub Baton Pass Tail Glow Volbeat. You sub, you Tail Glow, you Baton Pass into Swalot, and you hopefully win. And then we got Choice Scarf Fun Pheasant, Physically Defensive Macargo, and Specially Defensive War Turtle. Let's do this. And we're in this game. Pedo Boar. He has a Chatot, but Chatot is actually not that big a deal to my team. Oddly enough. He's really not. Like, don't get me wrong, he's still a threat because he is still a Chatot that is a hacking piece of shit, but he's really not that big a deal. Because I have a War Turtle, you know? War Turtle does a number to, he does a number to the Chatot. That's how I've been able to beat Chatots with this team. So I'm going to switch into nothing. I'm just gonna protect to see what he's gonna do. As he goes for Electro Ball. Okay, so you are a timid scarf. Either that, or you just, oh, that's gonna do a lot because I have 96 speed, whereas you max out at 416. So it's gonna do a lot. So we're gonna go into Volbeat. Fuck it, we're gonna go into Volbeat, guys. Because Volbeat is a Volbeat that does Volbeat stuff. So we got Good Little Girl who joined. So that's fun. You guys can partially see right here. But the end of it says Good Little Girl joined. So Electro Ball really didn't do a whole lot, so I can actually sub. I can sub as he'll Baton. Maybe. Maybe it is. The Pedo Boar asked if this is a Baton one, and yes it is. As he's probably gonna predict me to encore him into. Huh? Fuck it, I'm gonna Tail Glow again. Cause why the fuck not? And why is this a Quick Claw Electrode? Like, why? Why? What have I done to fucking deserve Quick Claw? Oh, fuck! I didn't Baton Pass. I am such a fucking idiot! I can't believe I just... I literally can't believe that I just retardedly didn't baton pass. Because this would be over. This would literally be over. Like, god damn it. Like, oh my god, why? Why am I so fucking stupid? Son of a bitch. I had the opportunity to do what this team is meant to do, and I fuck it up. Oh my god. Fuck. I guess that's how the cookie crumbles, I guess. So, we're just gonna belch until belching is no more. So, time to belch until belching can't belch anymore. So, we're just gonna belch again, even though this thing will kill me with a confusion. Not any light screens. Why would you light screen? You just let the thing take so much fucking belch damage, it's not even funny. This game could have already been over. This game literally would have been over already. I got a crit! I got a crit! I got a crit! I got a crit! Woohoo! I got a crit. We're just gonna belch again. Normal gem. Normal gem return. Yes. This is the top tier shit, man. This is some top tier shit. This is top tier shit right now. And I believe I outspeed, yes. Chatot, you do not live a frustration. You might live a frustration, or you just fucking destroy it. Dude, another fucking normal gem. You just throw a normal gem on everything. Fuck it. Fuck it. I mean, if that's what you're trying to do. I mean, if that's what you are trying to do. Alright, can I break through confusion? No. Why would I? Let's try this again, because I think I might still be able to lay the boom burst. Oh, now I break out of fucking confusion. Now I break out of fucking confusion. Fuck. Now I'm gonna get swept by a fucking Chatot, so that's fun. Maybe he tries to get greedy and do another one? Aha! No fucking nasty plotting for you, you fucking twat. Don't you try and get greedy. Alright. Sorry, I had to tell him not to get greedy. Now... guy under another fucking... The same guy whose good little girl just fucking joined with bad little boy 123. I really want to know who this is. Who is this person? Fuck it, I'm gonna scald. As he nasty plots. That's nice. As I'm just gonna scald again. And that is why we have War Turtles on the team, ladies and gentlemen, because our +2 stab boom burst only does 70%. I think it maxes out if it's a life orb one at 89%. Don't quote me on it. I believe it does 89 to 92. Or, not 80. 82 to 98%. So, as long as you get in and as long as you're at full health with War Turtle, then you can beat Chatot one-on-one. So, we got that. Is it time to start X-scissoring all the things? Nah. We're gonna Leaf Blade it and kill it. Except now he gets a safe switch into Fracture, which is not good. As I'm just gonna Lava Plume. As he low kicks, that does a lot. Can I get a burn, please? No. Can you guys stop fucking speaking Spanish in the chat? It's so annoying. Alright, I got one shot at this. I got one shot right now. Can I get the burn? I got the burn! So he's at -1 attack. He's at -1 attack. Oh. Citrus Berry. God damn it. Recover? Time to stall out this thing with... I'm just gonna recover again. He's probably gonna Dragon Dance this turn, actually. So I'm actually gonna Lava Plume. We're gonna Lava Plume, ladies and gentlemen. We are Lava Pluming because he's probably gonna fucking... You know what, even if he does go for low kick, I can live too, so... I'm not too worried. I probably should be, but I'm not. Time to finish my glass of water. We'll find out if this is specially defensive or physically defensive. And I got another burn! Things are just going my way, I guess. It's nice that I do know a little bit of Spanish because I can tell a little bit of what they're saying in the chat, because they're all speaking Spanish in the chat right now. The Pedo Boar, the good little girl, and the bad little boy 123, they're all, I guess they all know each other, and so they're all just kind of speaking. Oh, sorry that I just like paused. I'm trying to decipher. This thing is... I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know if Ambas is physical or is physically or specially. Because he's saying that with the Eviolite, this Dusclops is 400 defense. But I don't know if Ambas is special or physical. No, he got the Toxic off. No. No, that might have just won him the game. No. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. It didn't just win him the game. Confuse Ray. Uh-oh. Oh, this is a sticky situation. I'm gonna go into Volbeat, because this way, if he pain splits, he just double Confuse Rays. Why? Okay. Okay. And this thing is at 100%, so I'm not too worried about this. Because I'm gonna sub. Aw, why? That's unfortunate. I'm just gonna go into Levani and X-Scissor and kill this thing and end it right now, rather than do some unnecessary stalling with Macargo. So, I'm gonna throw GG into the chat bar. I'm not gonna send it to the chat yet, but it's in the chat bar ready to be sent, because this X-Scissor will kill it. So, it's a GG. Let's do another, because that game was fucking fantastic. Let's get one more fucking game. I'm gonna close out the chat options for like chat rooms. So, and we are in a new one, and he has a Talo. He has the Talo. That is fucking awesome, because Talo can actually be very threatening, because it actually does have, I believe, don't quote me on it, but it has greater than 80 speed, I think. And I mean, if you have a gut set, it can actually be very scary for PU players. So, I mean, I'm just gonna lead with Macargo, because he's my dedicated lead, and I am not gonna set up Stealth Rock on this thing, as he is setting up the sun. Well, GG Illumise. GG. That's a deader than shit Illumise. I reckon this thing's gonna go for an Earthquake. Or an Earth Power. No, he goes for the fucking Power Jam. Data, okay. Leaf Blade. I don't care, this will still do good damage. Yeah. Get out of here. Get out of here. We're gonna go into Macargo, because Macargo can actually do some good damage. Oh. Why did that do so much? Am I stupid here, or does growth only... This thing became a threat. This thing just became a massive threat. This thing just became a massive threat. And I need to stall out some, sun turns with some sub. I need to sub. I'm gonna Tail Glow. As he gets up Trick Room. That's nice. I can encore your ass into that. Is this a... Why? 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 I think I'm gonna Tail Glow again. Get greedy. As he just quick attacks. Okay. Okay. This time we're actually gonna Baton Pass. We're not gonna fuck up this time. And we're gonna go into the Swalot. As he goes for the Facade. Part of me really... Nah, because I'll be slower than this thing, so I'm just gonna Ice Beam. I'll be slower than it in the Trick Room, no fucking doubt about it, so... That's a dead ball toy. I have something for everything on his team. I have a super effective move. No, I don't have a super effective move on Monferno, but if he knocks me into the range where I end up Now the thing is, if he doesn't knock me into Citrus Berry range right now, because I do have decent bulk, like 404 attack, or not attack, but HP, and then 202 defense and 203 special defense, and we're gonna go for it. As he misses a Fire Blast. That's cool. That is glorious. Fuck it, we're gonna belch again. Aha! Hooray! I win! Oh, he's sashed. He's sashed. I guess we're gonna HP Fire now. Hope he misses a Fire Blast. Can that be a thing? Like, can that be a thing that happens? Can that be a thing that does things and stuff? Miss a Fire Blast. Damn it! There goes my win. There goes my fucking Swalot sweep. We're gonna go into this and we're gonna, fuck it, we're gonna just click Frustration. This'll do decent damage, right? Yeah, it will. Yeah, it do. Yeah, it do. Ooh, Endeavor. Okay. Okay. I guess... Golad? I don't get a burn, but that's not an issue. Power Gem's doing diddly bumpkus, as Swaglif says, all the fucking time. Well, not all the time, but... Hey, I get a burn! Ain't that nice? Miracle. I like this man's style. I like this man's style. I don't really need this thing, so... Now that there's no sun and no way for him to get up sun unless he sets it up himself, I'm not too worried. And plus I have a fucking scarfed unpheasant who can just aerial ace this thing and it dies. And another aerial ace will kill the... Yeah, we're gonna get another one because this is gonna be a long episode. This is going to be a long video, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you guys will all enjoy it. And I hope... Ooh, this man has the fucking Maractus. I know what Maractus can do. I know what Maractus is capable of doing. But, yeah. So, hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, because I'm putting... Video-wise, I'm putting a lot of time into this. I don't really think the thumbnail for it's going to be all too good, because 1, I suck at thumbnail making, and 2, I don't know. I'm just not... Because, like, you don't watch a thumbnail, you watch a video. Like, you watch the video, not the thumbnail. Like, I mean, Swalot's gonna be in the thumbnail, so, like... You guys got that going for you guys. I mean, so he's gonna go for an Earth Power. I'm gonna go into War Turtle. Can this, for some reason, be a special Garbodor? No, why? That's alright, though. And he's burned, so I can just Rapid Spin away. I can just Rapid Spin until he dies, basically. Now I can just Rapid Spin until... Oh, he's Rocky Helmet. He's a Rocky helmet. God damn it. Well, I prevented hazards from being on the field, so that's nice. Good job, War Turtle. I'm proud of you. As he gets a free switch into Pelipper. What are you planning, good sir? What are you planning? He's probably gonna Toxic. Let's be real. He's probably gonna Toxic. Right? Right? No, he just went out flat out for the Hurricane. I could have just killed you. I could have just mirror coded that and killed you, and you would have been done. But, whatever. I mean, whatever floats your boat. Oh, God damn it. Damn it. I really expected him to do, like, a Scald or something, which would have knocked me into belching range, and this wouldn't have looked like a fucking stupid-ass move right now, but whatever. Whatever. We're gonna go into Volbeat, because Volbeat can take hits, actually, half decently. So, hey guys, you know what would be a really good set? Making an Assault Vest Volbeat with Tail Glow, Baton Pass, Encore, and Sub. That would be a very fucking good set. Just saying. I don't know why I'm doing like thumbs up and like motion right now. I don't have face cam going right now, so like that was fucking pointless. But what do you go for? Another hit. So this one has more speed investment, because this one is actually doing 30%. But you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna sub. And we're gonna see what happens. You know what? I'm gonna Tail Glow. I'm gonna Tail Glow, Baton Pass, and let Swalot do the best that he can. We're gonna let Swalot do as much. Oh, why? Alright, clearly you're scarfed. Clearly your mod is scarfed. So, we are going to go for a knockoff, because that's the best play I can do right now. And I mean, even if he stays in, this knockoff will more than likely kill him. So, and whatever he decides to bring in will take a shit ton of damage. So, can't complain too much. This man's taking longer than I would like to make his moves. So, I'm going to turn the battle timer on. Just to try and give him a little, push to make a fucking move, so. Sorry if I just, wrecked any headphone users by whistling, but I don't think I did, so. Basically what I do when I don't know what to do is I whistle. Like, if I'm bored or I don't know what to do or something, I whistle. So, yeah, that's why I was whistling. But, alright, I think I'm just gonna pause until he comes back. So, I will see you when he makes a move. Alright, apparently he's not gonna come back, and he only has 10 seconds by this time to make a move. So, I figured, you know what, I'll unpause it, and I will come back for the last 20 seconds until he times out, because, yeah, I won. So, now I'm at 11:32, so, we're getting places. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and, rate, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and, I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. See ya.